Good morning. So, before I start my day, let's get you through one beautiful Bible verse that I've been reading. Psalm chapter 46, verse 1. God is our refuge and strength and ever present. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth give away and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea. He says, Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord Almighty is with us, the God of Jacob in our fortress. Look how beautiful this word says. So that's it. So, it's time for me to wake up. There you go. Put it on God, on God. This is what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna drink. People must be curious why I'm using this. I'm using this because this is 100% cotton cloth. It's perfect for the face. It's better than the regular towels that you use in your body. Cotton does good to your body. There was Jesus in the searching, in the healing and the hurting. There was Jesus. Clinique, I use this mostly. Like a blessed buried and the broken pieces. My sunscreen, everyday sunscreen. It's getting over. I need to get a new one. There was Jesus. There was Jesus. See my blusher road. That's always my favorite road. Now here I am, right where I thought I wanted to be. I'll trade it all right now. Leave it right to where I belong. Right where I thought I wanted to get back to where I. Can you believe my uniform is getting so loose? This is my breakfast. Nobody but Jesus. All about somebody who saved my soul. Down, down, down in history. Somebody who saved my soul. Let's go to work. It looks like hospital, right? Or corridor. So I'm not allowed to use phone in A1A because that's against our policy. So I'm gonna pause it for a while. Sorry. Welcome to my day 13. I look so tired. In 1 hour I'll have my break, so let's hang on until I'm done. It's a sea day, so it's like quiet. Lunchtime! It is long line. What you got? What is this?
Steak. Paella. Look.
Enjoy!
Hey.
Hey, this is pork or beef?
Beef.
Beef? Amazing.
Oh, thank you for recording.
But these are sweet, so I don't like it. I'm gonna add this spicy because the food here is so dark and spicy. It's from Indonesia. It's been a hectic and tiring day. I just finished my duty. 5 minutes to 10. Get back to my cabin. I love the smell of my cabin after all the long hectic day. Time to go to the gym. It's done.
Deck 14.
He's sweating. पूरा भीग गया और आज तो मैं नेम टैग भी लगाना भूल गया. Now I will go to the cabin, enjoy my protein, take a shower, a big long warm shower, and today I need to edit my video because it's time to shine in YouTube. I only have 24 subscribers and my video got only 20 views. So let's see.
Going down.
Going down to take 4. तेरे लिए मंदिर जाऊं, तेरे ही नाम का दिया जलाऊं. Oh, oops, sorry. Hey! हाथ से चीज़ें गिरे बिना मेरा दिन खत्म नहीं होता है. कुछ ना कुछ गिरना ही है मेरे हाथ से ना. Something has to fall down. Welcome back to Gracie's Nest. Here I am.
It's time to sleep.